She was done with the scraping and it was time to exfoliate the skin with the foot scrub and the pumice stone. So with an amount of foot scrub on the pumice stone, she started exfoliating my skin by rubbing the pumice stone over my foot. This is a very important aspect because you need to get rid of the dead cells on the foot so fresh cells can grow out. This is the essence of the exfoliating, and you can only achieve this with the pumice stone and the foot scrub. So pay attention to this step when you're doing your pedicure. When she was done with the exfoliating, she dropped some foot wash on the brush and used it to wash my foot. This also helps to get rid of dirt, get rid of dead cells, and of course, leave your foot refreshing. She repeated the process on the other foot, and I had my foot back into the water. Afterwards, she washed off. Look at my new foot, looking all fresh, looking all clean, looking all healthy. Remember what it looked like before we started, and this is what it looks like now. And we are done. This is what my foot looks like after all that long process.